When I close these lights, this TV also coming switch off, or I need to switch off. So madam, this is coming like this. Okay, one small here and then one movable cupboard. This one. So this one available, ma'am, but the side table up there is 2 pieces available only in the warehouse. This is your original invoice, and this one is the copy, which is you need to sign it there. So when they come, my guy there, this original one, this is attached from this one. So if you will see, there's a stapler here. So we'll sign it here. I sir, in this scenario, you can put only like this. If you want more, yeah, you can put only here. But from here, from the screen, you have only 1 meter. 1 meter. So it's up to you, sir. But if you didn't want to very far from here. Yes ma'am, we try but because now is you are the last delivery fixing for tomorrow, so we will try, madam. So this one, ma'am, the original invoice, I will attach from this one, okay? So please collect this one to our delivery fixing tomorrow. Thank you. This is the one, the same that you have, but this one is 1.4 L type. Only this one left. The other one is finished, discontinued model now, sir. If you do not want to, if you want to par from the screen and from here, so it's up to you, sir. But if you want here, you can put more, and you can put adjustment for each other, so there is no issue. You can put add more. Sir, chair is already ready, okay. Sir, maybe you can give some New Year's gift to my fixing guy. Yes. Only 20 dirham, sir. Now they are making a re-up and very good fixing, sir. Okay,
Subscribe!
sir?
Sana
So
all!
tell to your guy,
Subscribe!
come it here and then collect. And maybe you just give some 20 dirham.
Sana all.